So we're here right now in our room at like 5:30 in the morning, and we got a snorer, and we can't stop her. I tried everything. I hooked up with her last night. I fucked her, and I came back and I fucked her again tonight, but she just won't fucking stop snoring. I want to knock her in the face, or I want to break her nose so she stops snoring. Let's go take a look. Follow Mr. Puzo. So here we are right now with my snore. Man, it's a nice night. I mean, I'm trying to go to sleep. I mean, Waters and Celia are trying to go to sleep, but we got a snore. It's an exception. Tonight's we're treating ourselves to a snore. So, I mean, if you turn the TV down, we're watching Married with Children right now, but we'll turn it down. Married with Children is a lovely show. Right now, you know, we got a snore. She's a nice girl. She's a lovely girl, but I mean, you just, at this point of the night, you just want to fucking take a bat to her face. You want to do it. So what I said to you was, my message to everybody is, before you talk to a nice girl, ask her what her habits are when she's sleeping. Take care of everybody.